What's up, everybody? Happy New Year. We're out here in the snow. It just snowed last night. We got this big tent behind us, and we're starting the year off with getting back on my YouTube videos. So first one of the year. Okay, so this is the workstation area. We got Quincy over here and the heater. So he's got some space to work down here. And we're going up the scaffolding. There's Logan. Reggie's up there. And we got Plank. You gotta go up the ladder to that plank where the stone's at, to the next plank. And yeah, it's fun, but the heater's in here. Most of the time you don't want to use a heater like this when you're doing a tent because it blows it up like a balloon, but it's heavy enough that it's not doing that to us. We got Reggie here, freak him out on camera, haven't been on camera all year. It's New Year. These are the heaters you really want in the wintertime. They don't like blow the tent like you see. It's not blowing it, but these ones keep it hot. It's really hot. It's on low. It's got it heated up here. So yeah, we're up here laying stone. Got everything laid out. Trying to be as safe as possible. So with the tent, the tarp, it is really easy for it to rip apart. You can see we got some holes in there that got all ripped out. I don't know. We were done with that. You want to pinch it in there with a board. That way it all gets sucked fast. The wood is the way to go. Don't use the stupid holes that come with the tent. Screw pieces of wood in, like over here. You know, wood there, and then it won't rip out when the wind comes. The other thing you got to do is when you mix your mud, it'll freeze out here or whatever. It'll freeze in there overnight. So you got to get this anti-hydro stuff. This is what I use, or any other kind of antifreeze. This like makes sure it doesn't freeze. You can work in 25-degree weather and it won't freeze your mortar. The other thing is overnight you're gonna want to leave one of those little propane heaters on. So the propane heater that I had up there, we leave on low overnight, up where the mud's at, just to keep it above freezing and let it get hard. So that's pretty much all you need to do if you're working in the wintertime and it's cold and everything. So it's a bit of a pain in the ass. It costs a bunch of money, but if you want to work and you know you're getting paid to do it, throw up a tent, get some heaters, get some antifreeze, and get to work. Thanks for watching.